Oh, yeah.
Howdy. We're in 3/4 time for Scarborough Fair. Big hit for Simon Garfunkel back in the 60s. And yes, in A minor. 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got that 3/4 time. Now, this is not finger picking as in alternating thumb. That's alternating thumb. This in 3/4 time is just going to go. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. This part here, third measure. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and because we have 2/8 notes. Most of this, I'll show the tab in a. Well, the tab's been already shown. So what we're talking about is this here bit, da dee dee dee. The 2/8 notes, as opposed to the constant quarter notes, and that I think is the only place, yep, where we have 8 notes. So the whole thing is quarter notes. 3 beats to a measure, 1 quarter note for each beat. So, well, sometimes there's 2 quarter notes together, right? Like at the beginning. 5th string, open 2nd fret, 3rd string. The last measure of the 2nd line here in the tab, I'm on a C, and I'm gonna go to a D chord. Why the full D chord instead of just playing the notes in the tab? Because in the C, I've played an open 3rd, and I want to block that out when I go to the D. So, see this one here on the 3rd string, blocks out the open G, the open 3rd. Then back to A minor. Pinky. Whenever I go to the 5th fret, 1st string, on this tune anyway, I use my little finger, pinky, and quite often we need the 3rd string, 5th fret also. Right. So when we go back to a C, the pinky's already there for that C with a 3rd fret 1st string. Okay, 3rd measure, 4th line. You have a little bass run in the 5th string, but it's together with the melody notes. So I've got, like, I'm on the C, 5th string and 1st together. Then I do middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and the pinky will be on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And then it's just open 5th and 1st fret 2nd. That, if you're not used to that, it might take a bit to practice that. Loop that part. If any measure you're having, phrase you're having trouble with, just loop it over and over, you know, so that you can practice it. You can slow down this video YouTube video. Any trouble spots, go over and over till you get it nice and smooth. Start slow. Beautiful old tune. It's still around because it's beautiful. Go figure, somebody would take this old tune in the 60s, Simon Garfunkel, and mind you, their vocals are so good. They had this back and forth, both of them singing different parts, almost like a chant or a, what do you call that? Call and response sort of thing. Anyway, tab, please scan it, print it off, and then if you slow down the video, you can follow exactly what I'm playing slowly, and then you get a grasp of what I'm doing. Instead of showing you exactly, well, here's, first fret, second fret, all this stuff one by one, slowly, why not just have a tab? And then you learn from the tab. The tab tells you where to put your fingers. And somewhere in spots where it's not real clear, I have TMI for which fingers to use to pluck the notes. Okay, it's a beauty. Give it a shot. See you next time.